What is a patent? A patent is a monopoly right which covers the area of inventions. They are granted by the state to cover a particular concept. So if you think you've invented something, this may be for you. How do I get a patent? You need to make an application to a relevant patent office. If you're in the UK, that will normally be the UK Patent Office. Once the Patent Office receives your application, the process of examination will begin. What criteria does my invention have to meet? Well, there are several criteria which you have to meet, but the main two are that the invention you have must be new to the area it relates to, and the invention must not be an obvious technical advance. These two criteria are judged against what went before your invention, called the state of the art, through the eyes of the man skilled in the art. Who is the man skilled in the art? This is simply a legal concept to help judge how inventive your invention actually is. The process looks at what went before, called the prior art. The invention is then assessed by looking at the prior art and saying, if I had all this information, is the invention new and not obvious? It's a bit more complicated in reality, but this is the essence of it. So what is the process? 1. Putting together your application and filing it. 2. An examiner at the Patent Office carries out a search of the prior art and then decides whether or not your application fits all the criteria. 3. If the application does not fit the criteria, the examiner will tell you and give you the reasons. 4. You then have the opportunity to persuade the examiner he or she is wrong. 5. Once you have dealt with any objections, there may be an opportunity for other people to object, or at least have their say. 6. If no one else has a say, your patent, if accepted, will be granted. When I get my patent, will it cover the whole world? Unfortunately not. Each country that has a patent office will require you to make an application in that particular territory. There may be convenient routes available, such as the European Patent System or the PCT system, but you will need to know where you require protection. How long will it take? Well, the process from application to grant can take anywhere from 18 months up to years, depending on what happens. There are no certainties. How much will it cost? That depends too. You will have to pay your agent's fees. There may also be official filing fees to pay for your application. This will depend where you are filing. There will also be renewal fees to pay once your patent has been granted. What do I do next? You can contact Neil Head-Rapson on 0191 281 4000 or at nhr@mcdanielslaw.com.